today we actually have some place to be. Baby boy has to go to the doctor today for his 2-month checkup. So get ready with us. It's 9:09 and the doctor's appointment isn't until 1 o'clock. This is how early I have to start getting ready with a newborn. So he has already had his morning diaper. I already got a little sleeping done because I woke up before him, so I laid him back down so I could sleep the floor and get the trash together so I can take the trash out when we leave. But then he woke up very shortly after I got up. So now he's up and he's gotten his morning diaper. I have to butter him up so he'll want to sit in his swing while I finish cleaning up. Because I need to clean up before we go. I should do these dishes. Say hello. Say hello. You gotta say hello. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yeah, say good morning. Say good morning. We have to be out of here by, I'm gonna say 12:30 at the latest. This is not that far, but I want to be a little early. On to the task. I gotta try to get him to sit in his swing for a little while. Let's see, while I cook breakfast and do the dishes. I don't know if it's gonna last that long. Maybe I should do the dishes first. I don't know. Didn't last long at all. He let me get the oil in the pan. Well, he let me wash 2 pans and get the oil in there, so it didn't last long at all. He cried. And I can't leave him sitting there crying. I can't. So I learned to do a lot of things one-handed. Just wanted to see what my move's doing, huh? His arms are gonna be so strong. Like he just sits in the crook of my arm like this. Breakfast. Now baby boy is eating. He's hungry again. It's after 9:30. I think it's like 9:40. And I'm gonna try to eat my breakfast one-handed while he eats on one side. He's been getting a lot. He's been getting fuller quicker now. So he doesn't have as many feedings as he was like a couple weeks ago. Well, got that first task completed. Breakfast is done. Dishes are in the dishwasher. So now we both ate. We both eating breakfast. Yes. Tell him about it. We both eating breakfast. So now I can tell like he's gonna get sleepy soon. I'm gonna give him his bath first and get him dressed and try to lay him down while I get my shower and everything. So yes, mommy talking about you. You full now? Yeah, I'm smiling. Anywho, so what time is it now? It's like 10:05. So we gotta get a move on. We got to get the move on. Yes, we got to get the move on. Wish me luck. I hope he is getting kind of sleepy. Well, we got up at like he's been up for like an hour and some change, so he'll be getting sleepy soon. After giving that bath, he had his milk. All right, wish us luck. to slip my clothes on and then get him his clothes, and we're out of here. We made it to the doctor's office on time. I think it's like 12:50. It's 12:53, and we're here in the building. We're on time. In the nick of time, so I got up just in time. Mommy's baby had to get shots. More tears in my eyes than his. I mean, that was a joke. But we made it. And now we're about to roll.